Hey everybody, it's Chris for AllEars TV and AllEars.net. Today we're in Magic Kingdom in the Storybook Circus area, where we're going to take you on a tour of the one ride perfect for when your kiddos are ready to put a little more adventure into their ride repertoire. Are your kids ready for adventure? Or do they just think the Barnstormer is goofy? Ha! See what I did there? In the new section of Fantasyland that was formerly Mickey's Toontown Fair, you'll find a roller coaster designed specifically for children. Featuring Goofy as the Great Goofini, the Barnstormer soars high above the Storybook Circus fun below. Well, not that high. It's a perfect introduction to roller coaster attractions for little dudes, as it tests how they'll do with something bigger, since the ride is short, only 90 seconds, and the drops are small, and you only hit a maximum speed of 25 miles per hour. The next step up would be Slinky Dog Dash, then Mine Train, then Big Thunder Mountain, and then finally Space Mountain for, well, when you've had enough of their whining and you just need to give them a good scare. The entrance is marked by a circus-type ticket booth to go along with the overall theme of the Storybook Circus area. The coaster itself is designed to look like a 1920s stunt plane in the tradition of classic air shows, with Goofy starring as the daredevil pilot, the Great Goofini. Along the queue are several cute vignettes featuring the antics of Goofini. After soaring high above the circus, in typical Goofy fashion, you finish the ride by safely crashing through a billboard. Barnstormer is a Fast Pass Plus attraction and has a 35-inch height requirement. As the ride is only a minute and a half, it actually takes longer to walk through the queue area than it does to ride the roller coaster. The queue is not only long, but keep in mind that only some portions of it offer protection from the sun. Guests must transfer from wheelchair and ECV to the ride vehicle. Due to the nature of the experience, service animals are not permitted on this attraction. Also, this ride can be jarring to guests with sensitive backs or other medical conditions. The seats are not only fairly uncomfortable, but might be restrictive to some guests who may opt to ride alone due to limited leg space and/or small bench size. This is a great attraction to take advantage of rider switch, aka child swap, should a child actually want to go twice in a row without much weight. After the ride, visit Pete's Silly Sideshow across from the Dumbo attraction for some character meets. Storybook Circus has 3 locations for food, and honestly, you're only going to find hot dogs, hamburgers, pretzels and beverages, specialty cupcakes, cotton candy and caramel corn varieties, and sundaes, ice cream, shakes, and floats. Apparently, something about the circus scares away vegetables. The Barnstormer is right next to Dumbo and across from Casey Jr.'s Splash and Soak Station, which is way too much fun. Stand near the stroller parking to get great photos of the coaster traveling through the billboard, and if you're in the Dumbo queue, you'll be able to see the Barnstormer crest the first hill. So did your kids start on this coaster, and how'd they do? And seriously, just how uncomfortable are those seats? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to visit AllEars.net where you can read other reviews, or better yet, you can rate and review this ride. Hey, if you like this video, click on that thumbs up and be sure to stay tuned to All Ears TV and AllEars.net for more Disney news, fun, and stuff. And follow us on Instagram at AllEars.net. New to this channel? Check out our other ride videos right here, and please subscribe to AllEars.net. Clang that little notification bell so you immediately get notified when we post a new video. This is Chris for All Ears TV, and what do we say, guys? See ya next time!